Here is mobile passport control app streamline your US arrival. So let's just tap to get it and then just double click to install it. And yeah, so this is the app which you can install, and effective February 1st, 2022, the government mobile passport control application will be the only authorized application for NPC traveler entry into the United States. Simply fill out your profile and answer CBP questions and go straight to mobile passport control at the airport. So CBP Mobile Passport Control is a voluntary program which can be used by US citizens, Canadian citizen visitors, and lawful permanent residents at any of the supported airport and seaport locations in the website. It can be used in 5 simple steps. Just download the applications, submit a CBP form. Upon landing, travelers select their method of travel, port of entry of terminal. Once submitted, CBP sends an encrypted quick response QR code back to the traveler device. Travelers proceed to the NPC designated queue upon arrival and present their QR code to the CBP officer along with their passport. CBP officer will complete their inspection. So yeah, something like that. And then you can just open it up. Of course, it just simplifies the process a lot. You don't need to do, like all this paperwork and all of these things. So yeah, that's what you can do here. There is some disclaimer statement, and then you select your mode of entry, either US airport or cruise ship, for example, US airport, and then just select port of entry and select terminal. And then you can just add a traveler here. The type of document you would like to add is a US passport, Canadian passport, or a lawful permanent resident card. And then then you can just select and travel like that. So hope that is helpful.